Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Workato automations for sales lead routing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Workato automations for sales lead routing, start by logging into your Workato account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the Recipes tab on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Recipes section, find the specific automation you want to disable. You can use the search bar if you have many recipes to expedite the process. Once you locate the desired recipe, click on it to open its details page. In the Details view, look for the Status section. Click on the drop-down menu next to the current status. Select Disabled from the list of options. After selecting Disabled, make sure to save your changes. Confirm that the recipe status has changed to reflect that it is now disabled. To ensure the automation is fully disabled, you can revisit the main recipes page. Look for the indicator showing the status of the automation you just modified. Once confirmed, exit the recipe details page. If you need to disable multiple automations, repeat the process for each one. If you have any additional automations that rely on the disabled recipe, review them for necessary adjustments. Remember to monitor your sales lead routing for any changes after disabling the automations. This ensures that you maintain an efficient process even after modifications. That concludes the process of disabling Workato automations for sales lead routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.